Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Qwen3 Coder. Qwen3 Coder is Alibaba's most advanced open source coding AI model and is designed specifically for software development, agent workflows, and large-scale programming tasks. The flagship version uses a massive mixture of experts architecture and supports an extremely large context window, allowing it to understand huge codebases, lengthy documentation, and complex projects without losing context. One of Qwen3 Coder's biggest strengths is coding performance. It can generate code, fix bugs, explain programs, review, pull requests, and assist with software engineering tasks across multiple programming languages. The model was trained on a large amount of code-related data, helping it perform strongly in real-world development scenarios. The model also shines in agentic workflows. It can plan tasks, use tools, process feedback, and perform multi-step coding operations. Alibaba developed Qwen Code, a dedicated command-line coding assistant, to unlock these capabilities and provide developers with an AI-powered coding experience similar to premium coding assistants. Another major advantage is its huge context length. With support for hundreds of thousands of tokens and extensions reaching around 1 million tokens, developers can work with large repositories, long documents, and extensive project files in a single conversation. This makes it particularly useful for enterprise projects and large-scale software development. In real-world benchmarks, Qwen3 Coder ranks among the strongest open-source coding models available and competes with some of the best proprietary AI coding systems. It performs especially well in software engineering, tool use, repository understanding, and agent-based coding tasks. Overall, Qwen3 Coder is absolutely worth using if you're looking for a free and open-source AI coding model in 2026. It offers excellent coding performance, powerful agent capabilities, massive context support, and strong integration with developer tools. For programmers, software engineers, and technical users who want a capable coding assistant without paying for a premium subscription, Qwen3 Coder is one of the best options currently available. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.